Close your eyes. Try to remember the very first second of your life. Not your first birthday, not your first step, the first second. Can you? Of course not. Our memories have limits. Now imagine the universe itself suffers from cosmic amnesia. We can trace its story back almost to the very beginning. But what came before the beginning? What happened before the Big Bang? It's the ultimate cold case, and we're cosmic detectives searching for clues in the dark. We're diving into one of the biggest head-scratchers out there the moment before everything began. Forget fancy equations for a minute. Let's talk about this like friends pondering the universe over a cup of coffee. It's mind-blowing, but we can make sense of it together. First, we need to understand something crucial. Time as we know it started with the Big Bang. Think of the Big Bang not just as an explosion in space, but as the fiery birth of space and time itself. Asking what happened before time is like asking what's north of the North Pole. It's a question that might not fit our everyday understanding. Our clock started ticking 13.8 billion years ago. Before that, our usual rules of before and after might break down. It's like trying to see what's outside a video game when you're a character inside the game. One popular idea is called the Big Bounce. Imagine our universe is like a bouncing ball. The Big Bang wasn't the absolute beginning, but the moment our universe started, expanding after a previous universe had collapsed. Squeeze everything together incredibly tightly, then pooh and see a new universe begins. It's a cosmic cycle: expand, contract, bang, repeat, like a cosmic heartbeat. But what powered that first collapse? We're still figuring that out. Here's another wild thought from the world of the super smalls, quantum physics. Even in what seems like pure emptiness, tiny particles flicker in and out of existence constantly, like bubbles popping in a fizzy drink. Maybe our entire universe started as one of these incredibly rare, super powerful quantum fluctuations in a vast, timeless void. A tiny speck of pure potential just popped into existence, inflating rapidly into the cosmos we see. Talk about winning the ultimate cosmic lottery. Get ready for a bigger picture: eternal inflation. Imagine space isn't just expanding now, but that this expansion started before our Big Bang and happens almost everywhere, forever. Think of it like a huge pot of boiling water. Most of the water, space is constantly expanding super fast. But every now and then, a bubble forms within this boiling pot. Inside one of these bubbles, the expansion slowed down dramatically. That slowdown, that was our Big Bang. Our entire observable universe is just one bubble in a vast, endlessly inflating cosmic foam. There could be countless other bubble universes out there, each with its own Big Bang, maybe even its own laws of physics. Our universe isn't alone. It's just one room in a mind-bogglingly huge multiverse hotel. This one bends reality, the holographic principle. What if everything we see in 3D space star galaxies, you, me, is actually encoded on a 2D surface at the very edge of our universe, or even before it? Like how a hologram on your credit card projects a 3D image from a flat surface. Maybe the information defining our universe existed on a simpler, lower dimensional screen before the Big Bang kicked things off. Reality might be the ultimate projection. Okay, this is fascinating brain candy, but why should we care? Because it connects everything. Of how our origins, understanding the before, helps us understand why our universe looks the way it does, why matter exists, why space is expanding, why life is possible. It's the ultimate origin story. Are the laws of nature? Did the laws of physics like gravity, electromagnetism exist before the Bang? Did they crystallize at the Bang? Finding out tests the deepest foundations of reality. Of human curiosity, this quest pushes the limits of science, technology, and philosophy. Building machines like the Large Hadron Collider or telescopes, peering back in time is humanity at its most ambitious and awe-inspiring. It's about understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. So, what happened before the Big Bang? We don't know for sure, yet it might be a cosmic bounce, a quantum fluke, one bubble in an infinite froth, or a projection from a deeper reality. The before might even be a concept that doesn't quite apply, but the search is thrilling. It reminds us that the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. And hey, maybe the answer is something so bizarre our brains haven't even evolved to think of it yet. Keep looking up, keep wondering, and keep asking the big questions. After all, we are literally made of stardust trying to figure out where its own factory came from. How cool is that? Thanks for pondering the cosmos with me.